Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Moaz from Sibling World. Today we are making another video about crafts. So what you need is a paper, a white paper, and a scissor, and then a pencil. At first, try to fold it like a triangle. Then also we cut with the scissor, carefully and slowly. After that, fold this paper all the way to here. So we're going once, okay, like this, and then again twice. After doing this 2 times, then use this paper corner and then try to fold it right over here. Then cut. So we don't want this side, okay? Okay, this is when you need your pencil. So I'm gonna make the design I made with this snowflake, okay? So what do? You make this like this, and then start sketching with like this. Then do this. You could customize your own snowflake if you want. So now you have to cut it. Make sure you do it carefully what you draw, or you could, as you could see from mine. After you cut this, now you unfold it carefully, okay? Okay, then here you go. Looks exact the same. So you can make any customized you could want.